Runpaq Group actively responds to the call of the National Energy Administration to make full use of idle land, barren hills, agricultural greenhouses, tidal flats, fish ponds, and lakes for distributed photovoltaic power stations that consume energy locally. By building distributed solar power generation systems, we contribute to poverty alleviation, new rural development, and modern agricultural facilities, ultimately improving rural living standards and supporting sustainable agricultural growth. In the photovoltaic field, our focus lies in technical consulting, engineering design, installation, and commissioning. We concentrate on delivering integrated, efficient, and reliable distributed PV solutions that create real value for both rural communities and industrial partners.